victim of genocide, atrocities, and mass murder from 2017.
Sound.
We are here.
Okay.
We are here to do the solidarity for the Rohingya, justice for the Rohingyas who are the victim of genocide. And within 2 years today, the whole world, European Union and the whole world, they are seeking the justice for genocide. Finally, with the voice of the world, Gambia filed a case against Myanmar for the protection and the rights of Rohingyas and their rights to return to their homeland with peace, dignity, and with all the rights. And we are here for their solidarity. You know it that European Parliament and whole over the Europe, they are doing the solidarity for this justice for the Rohingyas. And just we know that the Netherlands and the Canada did the solidarity and to stand for Gambia for the rights of Rohingya and for their justice and for the punishment and for the measures against Myanmar. And they ask all the members of the UN Convention of the Genocide to stand for Gambia for the justice of Rohingyas. And the world cannot tolerate this genocide, and this is the time now we want that the world will see that the punishment for the genocide will be done in the United Nations top court, International Court of Justice in the Peace Palace. From here, we are all here for the solidarity of the Rohingyas, and we want that the International Court of Justice take measures against Myanmar for the peaceful, rightful good return of the Rohingyas to their homeland. It's very shameful that Myanmar's state leader Aung San Suu Kyi, who was impliedly supported the Rohingyas genocide from 2017, who did nothing for the justice of the Rohingyas, who once was the icon of the democracy and got the Nobel Prize, but she was silent when in her face, when she saw that Myanmar army and the state-sponsored atrocities killed a lot of Rohingyas and they are victim of Rohingyas. And if Bangladesh didn't give the shelter of these Rohingyas from Myanmar in the August 2017, lot of dead body also fall down across the Naf River. So we are giving solidarity, and we are really thankful for Bangladesh, who give the protection on the humanitarian ground so many Rohingyas. And we are giving our almost all the hatred to this Myanmar's leader who come today to protect the Myanmar's army who committed this genocide to protect his power in Myanmar. Solidarity for Rohingyas, and we want justice for Rohingyas. And you know that in the European Parliament adopted many resolutions for the protection and the rights of Rohingyas, and it was their long demand that the genocide case will come in the International Court of Justice, and finally Gambia bring this case before the International Court of Justice. And we hope, the world hope that today that great hope that justice will be done to Rohingya, and Rohingyas can go their home with their full rights, with their civil political rights, and with their nationality to their homeland.